In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and publish your website with Hostinger Website Builder. First, sign in to your Hostinger account and open Website Builder for the site you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, make sure you're opening the correct project so the changes end up in the right place. Once you're in the dashboard, select Edit Website to launch the Builder Editor. This opens the visual workspace where you'll do all your updates. Inside the editor, everything on the page is clickable. Select any section, text, image, or button to start changing it. When you click text, you can type directly to update headlines and paragraphs. Keep your writing clear and concise, and try to match the tone you've used across the rest of your site for a consistent feel. When you click an image, you'll see options to replace it. Choose high quality, properly sized images so pages load quickly and look sharp. For buttons, update the label so it's action oriented and confirm the link points to the right page. Use the tools on the left side of the editor to control the bigger picture. This panel lets you update text styles, replace images from your library or your computer, adjust layouts, and manage page sections. If your layout needs refinement, explore spacing, alignment, and column settings to give your content room to breathe. When managing sections, you can reorder them to improve the flow of the page. Duplicate a section you like or hide one you don't need right now. Small adjustments like consistent heading sizes and balanced margins go a long way toward a professional look. If your page needs more content, add new elements from the same left panel. You can drop in text blocks for additional information, buttons to guide visitors, galleries to showcase visuals, or a contact form to collect messages. Place new elements thoughtfully so your most important content is easy to see and interact with. Keep styles consistent. Use the same fonts, colors, and button shapes throughout to strengthen your brand. Before you publish, switch to preview mode to review your changes. Check how everything appears on desktop and on mobile. Make sure text is readable, images are not cropped awkwardly, and buttons are easy to tap. Confirm that links and forms behave as expected. When you're satisfied, click Update Website or Publish to make your edits live. If your site is already online, you'll typically see Update. If it's your first time going live, choose Publish. That's it. Your refreshed website is now ready for visitors.